In the heart of a vibrant jungle, there lived three friends, Leo the lion, Monty the monkey, and Ella the elephant. Though they were very different from each other, they enjoyed each other's company and often went on adventures together. One sunny day, the three friends decided to explore a new part of the jungle. They had heard that there was a river nearby where fish jumped out of the water and beautiful birds sang sweet songs. Excited, they started their journey. As they walked, they came across a large tree that had fallen, blocking their path. "Oh dear, how will we get past this?" wondered Monty, scratching his head. Ella, the strongest among them, stepped forward. "Don't worry," she said in her gentle voice. "I can use my trunk to lift it." With a mighty heave, Ella moved the tree aside, clearing the way for her friends. Leo and Monty cheered, impressed by her strength. After walking for a while, they reached the river, but there was no bridge to cross it. Monty, the cleverest of the three, quickly came up with an idea. "I'll climb this tall tree and swing across to find a safe spot for us to cross," he said confidently. Monty swung from branch to branch until he found a shallow part of the river where they could all wade across. "Follow me," he called out, guiding his friends safely to the other side. Once across, they spotted a beautiful grove filled with colorful flowers and sweet-smelling fruits. But just as they started to relax, a loud roar filled the air. It was a stranger lion, angry that they were in his territory. Leo, the wise and brave one, stepped forward calmly. "We didn't mean to intrude. We only came here to enjoy the beauty of the jungle. Let's share the space peacefully," he said in a firm but respectful tone. The stranger lion, seeing Leo's calmness and respect, softened. "All right," he said, "you may stay, as long as you respect our home." Relieved, the three friends spent the rest of the day in the grove, enjoying the fruits and watching the river flow. As the sun began to set, they headed back, each grateful for the other's unique gifts: Ella's strength, Monty's cleverness, and Leo's wisdom. From that day on, they knew that, no matter what challenges came their way, they could face them together, each with their own special strengths. And in the jungle, their friendship became legendary, inspiring other animals to work together and respect one another.